Rajya Sabha today saw the discussion on private member resolution regarding the shortage of power and its impact on the economic development in the country and urged the government to bring forward reforms in the power sector. On this occasion, while Union Power, Coal and New and Renewable Energy Minister Piyush Goyal was seen boasting about the increase in electricity production by 15%, Congress General Secretary Digvijay Singh was seen talking about theft in distribution and its effect on power sector. Singh said how the theft in the power sector still exists and how efforts went down the drainage to control it. Unless you reduce the theft in the distribution, you will not be able to make the power sector economically viable, said the Congress General Secretary.
पावर सेक्टर अपने आप में घाटे का सौदा है। एक एक यूनिट जब भी ग्रिड में उपलब्ध करवाया जाता है, उसमें प्रति यूनिट घाटा होता है। जितना जनरेशन करिएगा, उतना ही घाटा बढ़ेगा। जब तक आप until unless you reduce the theft in the distribution, you will not be able to make the power sector economically viable. A lot of efforts have been made to control theft in the power sector and the distribution point, but unfortunately it has not succeeded.
Technology can serve as a measure to reduce theft in power sector, said Singh.
We have to use technology to reduce the theft. And the technology is available now, like the prepaid chips that you have in the telecom sector. We should have prepaid chip electronic meters at the distribution point, particularly amongst the consumers in the industrial sector and other sectors. The second point I want to make is that in our urge to electrify the largest number of villages, we are transmitting electricity at a very low voltage.
Further highlighting the issue of transmission of electricity at a low voltage in rural sector, Singh said that the Power Ministry should try to convert low transmission lines into high transmission lines to control losses.
In most of the developed countries, the transmission is never below 25 kVA. But in most of our rural sectors in India, we are transmitting power at 11 kVA, resulting in much higher transmission losses. The Power Ministry must try to convert all these low transmission lines into a high transmission lines and have at each consumer level distribution point a step down transformers so that the transmission losses are controlled and also the distribution losses would also be controlled.
Powered by NNIS.